how does the new framework increases the attractiveness of Germany as a clinical research location and attracts more clinical research studies to Germany?
I mean, we have talked a lot about the problems we have in Germany with the timelines to startup timelines here in Germany. So the hope is really that we really will be much quicker than currently, and so we will have in the end more clinical trials coming to Germany. We will be quicker, and as I said, you have a competitive recruitment in the clinical trials. So when another country is quicker summing up the patients, then in the end there will be no German patients, and that's why also we really need to be quicker.
Yeah, and it will also attract additional studies. I mean, the mononational studies, the shortened approval time frame for that. I mean, this is typically an early phase study, first in human study, that will come to Germany because of these shorter timelines. But then also what I see is initially when we looked at the Medical Research Act and the 5%, we only looked at the registrational studies, mainly phase 3 to that extent. But now with the explanations coming in from the GBA, from the HTA body, we see it's more than just the phase 3 study. Yeah. So it's an early phase study that goes into safety, into efficacy, EMA dossier, etc., etc. So it's if we just look at the phase 3 studies where Germany is traditionally being involved, that's not enough. So we also need, and we see this enlargement in the footprint already, that we need to participate in earlier phase studies, definitely.
Yeah, and the global knows that it will be less complex. It's we have a better planability afterwards. We have a good infrastructure in Germany. We have a very good scientific education in Germany. So it's worth doing the trials here. But the perception was always it's too complex, it's too complicated, it's too slow. So some companies just neglected Germany and pushed the trial to other companies. They now realize that other countries. They now realize that in other countries they have their challenges as well. So we are on a good way back. That's good.